to every citizen of our land that I will be president for all Americans, and this is so important to me. Successful things once again. I want to tell the world community that while we will always put America's interests first, we will deal fairly with everyone. All people and all other nations. We will seek common ground, not hostility. Partnership, not conflict.
No, we can't take it.
I'd like to take this moment to thank some of the people who really helped me with
Hey, stop making noise, bro. Stop making noise. I'm listening to you, bro. What the fuck?
Where's Ruth? Where is Governor Chris
I'm going to Africa, bro. I don't have no savings. Hey! Stop making noise, bitch. What the fuck? I'm watching news, bro. I'm going to Africa. And you're still making noise?
I don't know what's going on with this brother, man. Snoring. Yeah, shit. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, I miss you so much, baby. Yeah. Boy, I'm on the phone, man. Yeah, you know. I think we should just meet tomorrow over there by the trade something, man. And I swear, baby, I'm tired of this. Can you please just give me 1 second? I need to finish this.
People are saying it's not funny. Is it funny? No, it's not funny. Is it funny? No, it's not funny. Is it funny? No.